What's up, YouTube? Sean 8242 here. Sorry, just watching the Oilers game, or was. It's a little bit depressing since we're not making the playoffs. But I just got back from South Carolina Forest game against the Florence Phantoms. People that don't know, Florence is in South Carolina, so they brought a lot of fans. But I got Omar Jacobs in-person autograph, but I'll tell you a little bit about it. First, I went to a freaking Dollar General looking for some Sharpies. Could not find them. The woman looked at me. I couldn't find them. The woman just looked at me like I was crazy. Like, she's like, what? And she's Hispanic. I don't know if she didn't know English or what, but not trying to be racist on that end. Anyways, so I got a Dollar Mart or whatever. It's like in the shopping center. It's actually closed down. They sell the signs and stuff, but the store's closed down. So I go to Hobby Lobby and I bought these two Sharpies. So the events were a little bit, but I wanted my friend. They're pretty fun. It's real cool. The game was intense. It came down to like you can't like just nail the ball in that league, and it came down to they actually had a bad snap with about 2 seconds to go, and it ended up the Forest ball was like 6 yards away from a touchdown with about a point, like just a sixth of a second. It was so close. I threw it and could not catch it, so the Phantoms won. But after all, we're sitting behind the Phantoms kind of, so we moved down there. And I got 3 out of 3 cards autographed by Mr. Omar Jacobs, a great college quarterback from Bowling Green. He does not have the dreadlocks, the signature dreadlocks, but that one smeared a little bit because he's like fumbling a little bit with it. I actually look really nice. Score 2 top trophies. Most of those are going out, so anyways, that was really cool. He was really nice. Offensive, defensive lineman. I can't remember. I actually can't find his name on the roster, oddly enough, but he was giving a lid there. It was really, if you have a AIFA team or anything, please go. They're really fan friendly. Omar was so nice. Other guys really nice. They're glad to just talk. And other guys like, yeah, I bet that card ain't worth $1. Just agging them on. He's like, I played at Bowling Green too. I'm sorry I don't know his name, but he was like just messing with them while he's signing autographs, and they're all really nice, very nice, and they all all their fans are on there. They're really nice too. So even though Force is my team, I definitely think the Phantoms are a close second because of just how nice the players were. But anyways, that's about it. Again, thanks a ton for Motown for showing me how to do this. I had to take these off in just a second, but really nice looking autographs. At first, I'll be honest with you, at first, the Sharpies, he was shining real fine, like his signature. I thought at first they were like bubbling up and I was so mad, but I was like, man, I worked on those for about 5 hours. No, not 5 hours, like 5 minutes. No way they should be bubbling up, but they didn't. But that's just the way, the way he was signing it, I thought they were not coming up. So I actually didn't know, I forgot I had. Sorry about that, but I actually have a certified autograph. It's about the same, but it's so close in, and you put 4s on these, so just a little comparison in person right there. Certified from Fleer Ultra or Fleer Showcase, and I got Tommy's Group Break. I also got this. I should have got that signed, like I said, I even forgot I had it. So really awesome. Thanks a lot to Motown Philly. You really helped me out on this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a team, go down there. I got a lot of decent players in there that have cards, so check it out and get them signed. Take it easy.